Welcome back to Gas Diesel Garage, everyone. In today's episode, we're on our way to go take a look at a 2005 Mini Cooper. And we're going to find out why, mysteriously, all the oil is being sucked out of the engine and running like crap and will eventually die on the guy. So stay tuned. Gas Diesel Garage starts right now. Now, of course, if you have no oil in your vehicle, the first thing is you need to check to see if you got any in the crankcase. If not, then you got some more issues. Right. Looks like I have nothing on the dipstick. Now, over the years of me dealing with these Mini Coopers, I found that there's a common problem with these. These things have a problem with the PCV valve going bad. And when the PCV valve goes bad, that means that your engine turns into a huge vacuum and it sucks up all the oil into the engine and blows it out of the back of the exhaust. So let's go see if we have any evidence of that in the tailpipe. Let's see. Yeah, shouldn't have that much black stuff coming out of it. Ooh, bad. That's really bad. Now, if you have a Mini Cooper where you have to keep putting oil in it or wondering where the oil is going, oil is, like I said, is going in through the combustion chamber and out the tailpipe. Now, of course, when you have these problems, the thing will actually start sputtering, lack of power, and then automatically just shut off because the computer is going to tell the engine, oh, something's not right, so let's just shut down. And they leave you in the middle of the road, and then you have to call a tow truck, and then you're going to have a bad day. So let's see if we can access the PCV valve on this engine. Now, the dealer says that this PCV valve is unserviceable and they want you to buy the whole valve cover gasket. But no, that's not the case. I'm going to show you exactly how this thing gets fixed for probably about $25. Now, the PCV valve sits under this little cover right here. But like I said, they want you to buy the whole valve cover, which is a couple $100 that you don't need to spend. So what we're going to do now is just take the coil pack cover off. Loosen that up just a little bit. Pull that off. Got your coil packs, and let's see. We just pop this cover off right here like that. Don't worry, this cover is going to be replaced. Okay, now let's take a look on why this PCV valve went bad. Now see, these things work off of vacuum, engine vacuum that is, and if it's got a hole in it, which I believe it does, that means that thing's going to stay collapsed all the time, and like I said, it's going to suck that oil through that engine. So let's take a look at it and inspect it. All right. Let's see. Oh, there you go. Just as I thought. Hopefully you can see that big old hole in there. You can see my finger through it. That's no bueno. So that means we need to source another one. Now here's a secret that the dealer and all the parts places around your area is not going to tell you. You can find this PCV valve, but you got to buy it online. And the cheapest I found it was on Amazon. And link in the description below if you'd like to buy this, by the way, because that's what I did. Might as well share it, right? But anyways, here we go. Bam. All the stuff we need to fix that PCV valve. So let's go ahead and put it in. There's the part number for it if you'd like to look it up. But like I said, link in the description below if you want to save yourself some money. Well, it comes in just like this, all put together. So what we do now is take the spring, put it down in there like that. And put that like that. It can be face down. Make sure you don't mess up the lips on it. Make sure it goes in correctly. All right. Okay. Then all you gotta do is slam the new cap down. All right. Well, take that, BMW. We took care of this thing for less than $30 at the house. Didn't need to take it to a shop. We didn't even have to buy the parts from the dealer or even buy it from CarQuest, Napa, AutoZone, any of those places. We just used some good old common sense and ingenuity. And so if you like more stuff like this, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.